lives of many great princesses, but my time has ended, and someone else's time has come to take my place. A warrior princess must provide strength and support to her tribe. She must be spirited, dedicated, and work with the warrior chief and his assistant. With much respect and enthusiasm, I announce the next warrior princess. Congratulations to our next warrior princess.
Serving as your Assistant Warrior Chief for the 2019-2020 school year has been an honor and a privilege. My time to serve in this capacity has come to an end. It is time to pass on my position to a member of the class of 2021. The new Assistant Warrior Chief must possess leadership, character, and be supportive to the Warrior Chief. It is my privilege to announce the Assistant Warrior Chief for next year. Congratulations to our new Assistant Warrior Chief.
Thank you for allowing me to serve as your 2019-2020 Warrior Chief. It has been my honor working with the student body and supporting West Branch athletes. Although it is sad to be leaving this position, a new Warrior Chief must emerge to become the face of the Warriors. Serving as the Chief, the leader must possess many admirable traits. He must set the tone for the expectations of others. He must be wise, spirited, and most of all, be a leader. He must show good sportsmanship, integrity, and do it in an ethical manner. It is with great pride